Hello students, on the behalf of Paramount Public School, today we are going to start next topic of chapter 5th, page number 52, that is molecular formula of compound. What is compound? It contains atoms of constituent elements in a fixed ratio. So compound में जो element हैं they are present in a fixed ratio. The molecular formula of compound can be written as, firstly write the symbol of elements. Second point, write the number of atom of each element present in a molecule as a subscript to the respective symbol. For example, molecular formula of hydrogen chloride is H1Cl1, that is HCl. Molecular formula of water is H2O1, that is H2O. Molecular formula of ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. Okay. Here is a table in which molecular formula of some common compounds is given. For example, carbon dioxide, it has one atom of carbon and two atom of oxygen. So it is CO2. Water, it has two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So its formula is H2O. Next is iron sulfide. It has one atom of iron and one atom of sulfur. So it is FeS. So revise this table properly. Next topic is writing chemical formula of ionic compound. Here are some simple methods. First point is write the symbol of cation showing charge on it. For example, sodium. Its symbol is Na and charge is +1. Second, write the symbol of anion showing charge on it but on the right side of cation. For example, chlorine, its symbol is Cl and charge is -1. Next point is, now write the charge number of the cation at the bottom of anion and charge number of anion at the bottom of cation. This is known as crisscrossing of valencies. Clear? Next is, if the compound contain polyatomic ion. If compound have polyatomic means more than one ion, then the formula of the polyatomic ion is enclosed within the brackets. It is enclosed within the brackets. Clear? Next is, if the subscript are 1, if the subscript is 1, then it is not written as in the formula. Clear? For example, aluminium sulfate. It has two ions. First is aluminium, second is a sulfate. They are written as Al3 positive because it has charge 3 positive and sulfate SO4 2 negative because it contains 2 negative charge. It is its step 1. Clear? Next step 2 is crossing their valencies. So Al3 positive and SO4 2 negative, by crossing their valencies it become Al2 and SO4 3. Third step is, there is no common factor between 2 and 3. So its formula is Al2SO4 thrice. Clear? Next example is sodium bicarbonate. It has two ions. First is sodium 1 positive bicarbonate, that is HCO3 negative, HCO3 1 negative. So by crossing their valencies, its formula is Na1 HCO3 1. So it is written as NaHCO3. That is the formula of sodium bicarbonate. Next is barium carbonate. It has two ions. First is barium 2 positive, second is carbonate CO3 2 negative. By crossing their valencies, it contains Ba2 CO3 2. But they both are same, so they cancel each other. So its formula is BaCO3. Because 2 is common in both. Okay. So formula is barium carbonate is BaCO3. Clear? Next topic is chemical equation. A reaction is described in the terms of reactants and products. For example, burning of carbon in air is written as carbon in the presence of oxygen gives carbon dioxide. This equation is known as a word equation because it is written in word form. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. But this word equation is long and not convenient for described chemical reaction. So it can be shortened by using symbols and formulas. So the shorthand representation of a chemical reaction in terms of symbols and formulas of reactant and products is called chemical equation. It is the shortest representation. किसकी shortest representation है? Reactants and products की in the terms of symbols and formulas. It is known as chemical equation. Clear? Okay. Thank you.